Hi, I'm Wen, and welcome to 100 Daily Chinese Phrases for Beginners Part 2. Today, we're going to mainly focus on 5 different kind of phrases. First, we're going to learn 我要, which means I'm going to / I'm doing. Second, we're going to learn 我想要, which means I want to. Then we're moving on to 我需要, I need to. 我一定要, I have to. And 我必须要, I must. Before we start learning phrases, let's look at these 3 phrases. The main difference is the eagerness. 我需要 is less than 我一定要, and 我一定要 can be less or the same as 我必须要. I'll explain this later on in the lessons. Now, let's get started. First, let's look at 我要. I'm going to / I'm doing. Let's say you and your friends are on the phone, and he or she asks you, how are you going to the restaurant? You can say, I'm taking a taxi. Repeat after me. 我要搭计程车. 我要搭计程车. 我要 means I'm going to. The word 搭 means taking. 计程车 means taxi. The grammar of the sentence is quite simple. 我要 means I'm going to. You can switch out 搭计程车 to other things. For example, I'm taking the MRT. Repeat after me. 我要搭捷运. 我要搭捷运. The word 捷运 means MRT. As you can see, the grammar of the phrases are basically the same. So, repeat after me. 我要搭捷运. 我要搭捷运. Very good. Now, let's replace the verb into going. How do you say, I'm going to the Taipei main station? 我要去台北车站. 我要去台北车站. Here, the grammar changes into I'm going to, and then add the place that you're going to. So the word 去 means going. 台北车站 is Taipei main station, which is the place you're going to. Repeat after me. 我要去台北车站. 我要去台北车站. Very good. Now, let's make this sentence even longer. Try to say, I'm going to take the MRT to the Taipei main station. Now, slow down and don't panic. The foundation of the sentence is still the same. I'm going to is 我要. And then you're doing 2 things. Take the MRT and to go to the Taipei main station. Let's break it down. I'm going to 我要 take the MRT 搭捷运 to the Taipei main station 去台北车站. I'm gonna slow down and break it into 3 parts. So repeat after me. 我要搭捷运去台北车站. Very good. Now, let's put these 3 parts together. 我要搭捷运去台北车站. Very good. Let's practice again. 我要搭捷运去台北车站. That's great. Now, let's move on to the next term. 我想要 I want to. The word 想 means think. 想要 means want. You can see the word 要 is in bracket. That's because the word 要 can be replaced by the following verb, and the sentence will remain the same meanings. So let's get started. Do you still remember how to say, I'm taking a taxi? Yes, 我要搭计程车. Now, let's switch 我要 into 我想要. Repeat after me. 我想要搭计程车. 我想要搭计程车. Very good. So the main difference with this phrase and the last one that we learned is changing the term 我要, which means I'm going to, into 我想要, I want. With that in mind, can you tell me how to say, I want to take the MRT? Yes, 我想要搭捷运. Repeat after me. 我想要搭捷运. Very good. Now, let's challenge yourself a little bit. Do you still remember how to say, I'm going to take the MRT to the Taipei main station? Yes, 我要搭捷运去台北车站. Now, let's change 我要 into 我想要. Repeat after me. 我想要搭捷运去台北车站. "我想要搭捷运去台北车站。If you're finding it too hard, you can pause and practice as many times as you want. Now, let's learn how to say, 我想要喝咖啡. I want to drink coffee. Repeat after me. 我想要喝咖啡. The word 喝 is a verb, which means drink. 咖啡 means coffee. Repeat after me. 我想要喝咖啡. Next, we have a very similar sentence, but very different meaning. 我想要去咖啡厅. I want to go to a cafe. Repeat after me. 我想要去咖啡厅. 我想要去咖啡厅. The verb here is 去 means go. 咖啡厅 is a place, which means cafe. 我想要去咖啡厅 means I want to go to a cafe. Repeat after me. 我想要去咖啡厅. Next we have 我想要去喝咖啡. I want to go get coffee. Repeat after me. 我想要去喝咖啡. 我想要去喝咖啡. The verb here is 去, not 喝. 喝咖啡 is what you're going to do. 去 is the main verb in this sentence. I know these three sentences could be a bit confusing, so let's compare them side by side. The sentence 我想要喝咖啡. The grammar is I want to plus the things you want to do. 我想要去喝咖啡 which emphasize the word 去 which means go. So the grammar of the sentence is I want to go plus something you want to do at the end. So the main difference between 我想要喝咖啡 and 我想要去喝咖啡 is the main verb. 我想要喝咖啡 emphasize on to do something. 我想要去喝咖啡 emphasize on to go and do something. And lastly, 我想要去咖啡厅 the grammar is a lot easier. It's just I want to go plus the places you want to go. So you can switch out the word 咖啡厅 to anywhere that you want to go. Now, let's repeat these 3 sentences that we just learned. Repeat after me. The first one is 我想要喝咖啡. The second one is 我想要去喝咖啡. The third one is 我想要去咖啡厅. Very good. In the next video, we're going to learn the remaining sentences. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.